Did you ever hear the facts that make you think, seriously, this is real? The world is full of things that seem impossible, but literally happened. Of an animal that can survive in space, until humans who can live without brains. Here are 20 facts, strange but real, that is guaranteed to make your brain error. You ready? Hold your chair. We start. Fact 1. There are people living without brains. A man in France, living a normal life for over 40 years. He works, married, even have kids. But when he checked with a doctor because of leg pain, the MRI results shows that 95% of his brain is blank. Not a little hole, but a large cavity filled with brain fluid. Scientists are calling this an extreme hydrocephalus. His brain shrank and pushed to the edge, but the basic function still runs. This proves that the human brain is very flexible, and many parts of the brain, apparently, can replace each other's functions. But still, living without 95% of the brain is mind blown. Fact 2. Waters can exist in liquid form, solid and gas all at once. Under certain conditions, water can be in 3 forms at once: ice, liquid, and steam or gas. This phenomenon is called the triple point and only occurs at temperature and certain very specific pressures. In the physics lab, this phenomenon is proof of the laws of thermodynamics. But imagine, one thing can be 3 different things at the same time. Just like you, homeboy, active student, and thesis fighters, everything at once. Facts 3. Polar bears are not white. Polar bears look white, but actually the feathers, transparent, and the skin is black. Their feathers reflect light, make it look white in a snowy environment. Their black skin helps absorb the sun's heat to keep warm in minus temperatures. So when you see a white polar bear, you actually fooled the light. Universe 1. Human eye 0. Fact 4. There are artificial objects, people who have left the solar system. 1977, NASA launched Voyager 1, unmanned aircraft to explore space. Now Voyager 1 is the most distant man-made object from Earth, even out of the solar system. Inside is a golden record. Contains sound, music, and messages from humans. Some kind of love letter to aliens. Who knows, one day, extraterrestrials find and play the Beatles song. Facts 5. Elephants can hear through their feet. Other than their big ears, elephants can feel the vibration of sound through their legs, stepped on the ground, and felt the vibration of the sound. Another elephant that is very far away can even hear a herd call 10 kilometers away, just through the ground vibration. Humans, sometimes notifications get missed. Fact 6. There is a fungus that can control the insect brain. In the tropical forest, there is a fungus called Ophiocordyceps that infects ants. This fungus hijacks the ant's nervous system, controls it like a zombie. Ants are forced to climb to high places, bite leaves, and died. Then a fungus grew out of his body. Even this concept inspired the game and series The Last of Us. Fact 7. You've drank dinosaur water. Water on our planet is never really new. Water molecules continue to spin in cycles. Rain, rivers, and seas, then evaporate and back down. So most likely, the water you drink today was drunk by dinosaurs 65 million years ago. Cheers, T-Rex. Fact 8. Tardigrade can living in space. Tardigrade, aka water bear, is a microscopic creature that can survive in temperatures of minus 270 to Celsius. High radiation, even vacuum. 2007, tardigrades sent into space. They go into suspended animation mode, and when they return to Earth, alive again. These creatures are like the cheat code of evolution. Fact 9. Time moves slower on high. According to Einstein's theory of relativity, time runs, it is faster in low places, near the center of gravity, and slower in altitude. So, people living on the 20th floor are theoretically a few nanoseconds younger than those living on the first floor. The effect is small, but real, and has been proven experimental. So you can say, I took the stairs for the sake of youth. Fact 10. Chickens can live without a head. In 1945, a chicken in America named Mike lost his head due to being cut, but it turns out the cut does not eliminate the brain stem that controls the basic functions of the body. The owner feeds it through a dropper directly into the esophagus. Mike even became a celebrity around America. So if you feel life without direction, at least you still have a head. Fact 11. One day on Venus is longer than a year. Venus rotates very slowly on its axis until it takes 243 Earth days for one rotation. But one time around the sun only takes 225 days. So, a day there is longer than a year. Crazy, right? Fact 12. Bananas are berries, but strawberries are not. Scientifically, berries must grow from one flower and have seeds inside. Bananas meet that criteria, but strawberries? The seeds are outside. Strawberries are not berries. Science does like to prank. Fact 13. There is a jellyfish that can live forever. His name is Tortopsis dohrnii. If injured or stressed, he can return to baby form and start his life from scratch. In theory, he can live forever, unless eaten. Fact 14. Octopuses have 3 hearts. 2 hearts pump blood to the gills, another to the whole body, and strangely, the 2 hearts stop beating when octopuses swim. So, swimming makes them tired of the heart. Fact 15. Wombat dung in the shape of cubus. Seriously, this animal from Australia defecates in the form of a box. This is because of its unique intestines. He said so that the dirt does not roll, so it can be used as a marker of territory. Creative too. Fact 16. Hot water can freeze faster than cold water. This phenomenon is called the Mpemba effect. Until now, scientists are still debating why it could happen. One theory, hot water evaporates faster, so the volume is less to freeze. Fact 17. Bees can recognize human faces, although small. Bee brains are quite sophisticated. They can remember the patterns and shapes of faces, just like humans remember the faces of friends. So do not underestimate bees. Yes. Fact 18. In the human body, there are more bacteria than body cells. About 39 trillion bacteria live inside and outside our body, while human cells are about 30 trillion. Fortunately, most bacteria are good and important for health. Fact 19. Giraffes have very high blood pressure. Because the neck is so long, giraffe heart must pump blood with pressure 2 to 3 times higher than humans, so that blood can get to the brain. If our heart like that, can stroke. Fact 20. Our brains are more active during sleep than during waking. During sleep, the brain processes information, improves memory, even dream weird. So if you wake up tired, it could be his brain working overtime all night. The world is indeed a strange place and full of surprises. From headless chickens to zombie ants, everything makes us aware we're just small riders in a universe full of crazy things. If you like content like this, don't forget to like, subscribe, and write in the comments which fact errors your brain the most. See you in the next video. And remember, don't believe everything until you check for yourself.